everyone, welcome back to another edition of the Combustion Guys Energy Drink Monday.
Yeah, it's the time again.
And today we have Rockstar Recovery Mango Lemonade Energy.
After all that hurricane cleanup, I need some recovery.
We need it. It's actually a very cool can design. I think it's supposed to have like a dragon face or something on there.
What's the flavor again?
It's mango lemonade. It looks mango lemonade. I know. I can't. I saw this at Target. I was like, oh.
I try not to be biased about energy drinks, but if it's got mango in it,
yeah,
it's almost assuredly straight.
Exactly. It's worth a try. So it's like, and the lemonade thing too. The lemonades have been doing great. So, anyways, let's take a look at the important factors here. We're gonna say electrolytes and vitamin C included for taste. Nice. 3% juice, 20 calories.
3% juice.
3% juice, 180 milligrams of sodium, less than a gram of carbohydrates, sweet, 3 grams of protein, 90 milligrams of vitamin C, 16 milligrams of niacin, 1.7 milligrams of B6, 5 milligrams of lovely acid, and 160 milligrams of caffeine in the entire can. Okay, let's open up and take a drink.
See how this whole thing tastes.
Oh, it's yellow.
Makes sense. Mango lemonade.
You things ready for?
Yep.
Todd's feeling a little bit under the weather, so just in case, we don't want to share too much, but we do want to share some taste. Oh!
Can't go wrong.
Slurpee! Wow, look at that.
That's
a giant blow up Slurpee.
I'd hate for that to get loose. And that's a medium.
That's a medium Slurpee. What would the big Slurpee look like?
I want to grab one of those, go in, and want to get a refill.
Yeah.
What is how much you charge for a refill on this one? I was expecting more bubbles. I don't think there's bubbles at all.
It's more Arizona. It's more Arizona tea.
Love it.
Let's see, is this a tea base? It tastes like a tea base.
Yeah, I'm getting that too. It's like a mucho.
Water, coconut. Let's see. Water, coconut water.
Oh, good.
Citric acid.
Like
Caffeine, potassium, taurine.
It tastes awesome though.
It definitely seems like it's a tea base more than anything else, but no, I don't see any tea in there.
It could be this, that mango.
Yeah.
Blend. I like it. Very faint on the lemonade, which is
very refreshing.
Awesome blend though. I'd do it again.
Wow. Yeah, I would too. That's pretty good.
It says cool. I don't know what that is. I'm sorry, people. I don't know.
Yeah.
What that
So
is.
taurine plus coconut water plus vitamin C plus electrolytes. So if you're expecting the Monster Energy Aussie lemonade, if you're expecting that with the bubbles, that's not what this is. This is definitely more of a energy water
Which
type thing.
explains the recovery basis of it with the coconut and everything. So after your workout, after your
That is good.
Yeah.
It's a very smooth
20
taste,
calories.
and it tastes like it has more sugar than it actually does because it has 0 sugar.
Yeah.
It tastes like it has sugar in it.
Is it Arizona? Is it called mucho mango? I thought that's what it's called.
I think so, yeah. But it's like
Very,
the Arizona
very much
tea.
like
it's very much like that, yeah.
It's almost exactly like that. Mucho mango drink.
Yeah, it's just a little bit different.
You've got,
but yeah.
some stuff for you. Love
But
it.
yeah, how do you like
I would
that?
definitely
Get that again.
And straight to the top, just like
Yeah.
I thought.
Yeah, definitely SRT 392. I would definitely like to try it as a bubble variant. I think that would be a fascinating try, but that is smooth.
Well, it's neat to see the coconut water move from the hydration drinks to that recovery series.
Yeah,
it's
it's
cool.
interesting, yeah. So that's
good job, Rockstar. We like it.
yeah. Because Rockstar used to be very heavy on the syrups, the heavy-duty artificial syrups. They used to be very heavy on that. So
They had the similar taste of the original Monster.
yeah, and very in that venom energy, all that area. So they have really adapted over the last few years that we've been doing this. That's kind of fun to watch, actually. So, but that is tasty.
Good job, Rockstar. We like it.
Yep. So, anyways, guys, thanks.
More of that, please.
Thanks, guys, for watching, and yes, more of that, please. More of that, please.
If you know the movie quote, leave it in the comments.
Please do so.
British, more of that,
Please. Oh yes.
Hint, it is a car movie.
It's definitely a car movie. So, anyways, thanks, guys, for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. Bye bye.